Hi, GZ at home, and we are making mayonnaise. So maybe you run out of mayonnaise and you have eggs and olive oil and a little mustard, or not, and you have salt and pepper. You can make mayonnaise. Very simple. 1 egg yolk per cup of oil. 1 egg yolk, 1 cup of oil. It's an emulsion. So I'm going to make 3 egg yolks. I am going to put the zest of 1 lemon. Always zest before you squeeze, obvious reasons. Then a squirt of lemon juice. Good amount. You want it nice and vinegary or acidic. Some salt. Some pepper. And I love mustard in mine. So I'm going to put maybe about, a teaspoon of mustard. And that's it. So what we're going to do is just whisk that up, and we have it in a bowl on a paper towel. So I basically don't have to move. Now, an emulsification is just the egg yolk, the protein in the yolk is going to grab the oil. You're just going to add it in a steady stream. And it's going to show you by what it looks like whether it's ready or not. And this is a really good idea, this steady stream here. Just keep moving it, keep going. And if it gets a little too thick, add a touch of water, just like a teaspoon or a touch of warm water. You can see it thickening up. So remember, 1 yolk, 1 cup of oil. Now I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You don't have to do that. You can use a regular olive oil. But you see how nice and yellow it is, and the color is gorgeous. That's partly because of the egg yolks, really good eggs, and the mustard. So here we are, we're probably halfway done. Can you see how nice and thick it up? Now you can actually do this in a blender, but I wanted to show you that you can make mayonnaise, the best mayonnaise you've ever had in your life, I guarantee you, by just doing it yourself. Well, let's take a taste, and you can see how nice and thick it is. I'm going to take a small taste. Not quite 3 cups yet. A little more salt. And maybe a little more pepper. But I think it's really good. That's more yolk, more olive oil. Now it's really starting to get thick. So what's happened is this is really absorbing, eggs doing its job absorbing the olive oil. And that's your emulsion. Do that with just a touch of vinegar, because I love it. It has to be balanced between the oil and the vinegar. We're going to stir that, and we just made the most delicious homemade mayonnaise. Now you notice it's not thick, and it doesn't look like there's any cornstarch or emulsifiers or any preservatives or junk, because there's no junk in this. This is just the real deal. And that's all you want to eat in your life, is real stuff. So, look at that. You put that on a homemade sandwich, make a salad dressing out of it. Real mayonnaise in 7 minutes. See you tomorrow.